How is it going, crypto enthusiasts? I hope you are having a great day. In this short tutorial, I'm showing you how to buy Ethereum on MetaMask. So first of all, you need to have the Chrome extension installed, and after that you will see this interface, and you need to make sure that you choose the right network. You need to be in the Ethereum mainnet. You will see your wallet address here, and after this you need to click buy. It brings you to this page. You need to choose your currency that you want to spend. I'm spending US dollars. I want to buy Ethereum for 25 US dollars, and you will see the approximate amount that you will get, and I'm gonna be paying with credit card. After this you click buy. You need to set your address first and verify your email address, but since I already did that and it's not my first purchase, I don't need to do those steps, but you probably will need to do them. And after that it will ask you to verify your ID or passport. I'm gonna be uploading my passport now. After uploading, you click next. It asks you to make a selfie with your camera. You need to roll your head around. Data has been submitted successfully. You need to click next. It will probably take some time to verify your ID. Hopefully it won't take too long. Okay, here you just enter your card details. The transaction is confirmed, success, and the transaction is processing on the Ethereum blockchain. You can see the exchange rate is 1,982, which is well above the current price. So this is the fee you need to pay for buying Ethereum instantly via credit card, and also this extra fee will be deducted from the amount. Alright, the transaction was successful. It took around 3-4 minutes to be completed, and now we should be able to see our new balance on MetaMask. That's right, you can see the balance here and the incoming transaction. This is how you can buy Ethereum on MetaMask.